Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing bloom in a garden. I'm just going to do one bloom. Well, should I do two? No, I'll be doing one bloom in a garden of leaves. And I have an 8x10 canvas. Now, this I put on a Glad press and seal over my spinner to protect it, but I don't want this flying off, so I can either, I'll just put some, let's see, where? I'll just put some paint here on, that's a small hole on this bottle. On the canvas, make it stick. Come on. All right. Spread it around a little bit. All right. So let's look at our colors. Now, one thing that I like to do, let me go get it and I'll show you. Now this is still wet. I want to try out new colors. I don't want to waste canvases. I don't want to waste a lot of pillow paint. And so what I do is I just get an index card and I just do a little bloom, even no pillow paint. And I see if I like it. I add the cell activator, I blow it out with a straw, and and I write the colors down. I'll let this dry, and that's an easy way I suggest to pick your colors. So we're going to be doing that color scheme. So let's look at the colors that I have. This is a custom color. It's Liquitex Fluorescent Pink, Golden's Quin Magenta, and then a little burgundy. It's semi-transparent. Then we have Folk Art Color Shift Orange Flash. Another favorite of mine is Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose. And we have 24 karat gold mixed with TLP ore. Now for our leaves, today I think I'll use this custom color. And then on top of that, I'll use Pebeo Yellow Green. My cell activator is Black Oxide. All right, so I'm gonna lay down some pillow paint. Sometimes we have problems with pillow paint. My last can was way too thick, and so I got another can. I had to put Floetrol and GAC into it and thin it down, but this is from a new can. Now I'm going to be doing pretty soon a video on how much pillow paint and compare putting pillow paint like this, spinning it really good, doing a bloom, then less pillow paint, a little more pillow paint, or just not spinning it as much. So 3 different canvases with 3 different levels of pillow paint to see how much of your bloom flies off. You know, do you have too much on? Do you have not enough on? I kind of like the medium kind of, but I will do that comparison for you pretty soon. Let's see, let me see if I can. No, I think I'll stick with that. I can add a little bit more later. Okay, let's start with our custom color. Fluorescent pink, magenta, and burgundy. I'm just gonna do one bloom today. Next, Folk Art Color Shift Orange Flash. Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose. Such a pretty color. And then I have 24 karat gold mixed with TLP ore. Sorry, my dog is just barking outside, if you can hear that. And I just want to put that in the center there. Okay. Let me torch for some bubbles. Today I am sitting on a stool. I have a leg, ankle, foot injury, tendon problem, so I haven't been able to paint as much as I have been wanting to, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to put a stool there, and so we'll see how I'm doing on the stool. Okay, let's go for, no, not yet. I'm just going to make 4 puddles of the colors for the leaves. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger than I usually do. That is a custom color, and now this is Pebeo Green Yellow. Just gonna do it a little bit here and there. Okay, so we're gonna blow out the leaves first. I'm gonna put on my black oxide cell activator, and this is made with Australian Floetrol. My blow dryer is small, world's smallest blower from Amazon. All right, let's do our bloom now. I'm gonna be using black oxide also for the middle. All right, hope this goes well. Good. I'm happy with that. Now we gotta let the middle come all together, the black cell activator, it'll get smaller. At first I was only getting cells here, but then I kind of had to work at getting cells to go across. And so now we can do some skewer work. I'm gonna go through the green into the pink there, to the bloom. Sometimes need to make a little thicker. I use the other end, but I always wipe my stick. Careful you don't drip when you bring it up. It's really pretty in the middle. Let's hope this comes off. Oh, let me make sure it's centered. I'm going to scoot it a little bit this way and a little bit this way. Ooh, looks like some paint dripped in there. Let me get that out. Or a bubble came. There's another one here. Oh, the colors are gorgeous. I think it's moving. This is so pretty. I think I like less green. Maybe we'll have to do it again with less green. Maybe if I just spin off more. Oh, that's pretty. I like that, just like that. Let's see, I do think, let's see if I can do this late in the game. Usually I don't want to make modifications after. I think I went too far in. Oh well. Oh, I don't think I want to do that really. Beautiful color combination. Maybe I should go larger with this color combination and maybe not so much green so close. Or maybe just, I don't know. I love it though. The lacing is beautiful. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna get you down for a close-up and I think I'm gonna do this one again.